Hello, my name is Robert from Nicxon International Solution, and for this video I am going to show you how to install Nicxon ERP software on your local machine or your server and wherever actually you want to deploy it. So the first step after we download the files and run our files, it will be the setup page, which is this one that you are seeing right now. It has some translations in Indonesian, Italian, and English you can choose from, and there is a simple guide. You need to have your environment file and you have to put your MongoDB URI. And also, if you want to use the SaaS mode, you can have your PayPal client ID, secret, and webhook ID in order to have the online purchase activated. But if you have plan to run it as internal for your company, you do not need to set up this PayPal one. We click simply next. Here you can create your admin account, which is the obviously administrator of this website, and you have full access to everything. Okay, select next. Then here we can select, if we choose, here we can choose which we want. We want to install the SaaS platform or internal tool for our company. The difference between the SaaS platform and internal tool is that SaaS platform is actually for you to make money from this application. So you will have the public website where user can sign up, buy subscriptions, and using PayPal obviously they can create invoices, estimates, proposals, and so on and so on. But if you want to have this software for your company as internal tool, then you actually have more options than the SaaS platform. So when we select the internal tool, we have some plugins that we can activate it based on our needs, or you can activate all of them. It's optional to you. If you need human resource options, you activate it. If you need payroll, if you need inventory, purchase order, asset management, maintenance management, CRM, if you need production and manufacturing, if you need bill of material, either of them you can activate or deactivate based on your need and usage. Simply click next. Here you can select the default language of your software. Obviously each member of your team or each user, if you install the SaaS platform, they can change the language setting for themselves, but the default of the software will be here as you define it in this part. And the portal link expiry is the expired days of the links you create for each individual or each company as your clients, where they can come and check their invoices, proposals, and so on. Also, they can download the PDF version of their own invoices. This will be the expire link of that portal. You can obviously upload your own logo, so you can replace this logo of the software with your own. Now we complete our setup. And our application is ready to use. We can either put username or email address to log in. And here is our admin panel. In the next videos I will explain each one of these options and how to use them. Also note, we have a tutorial section which explains each section of the software in details. Thanks for watching.